Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This video is the Quick Tips video for Word Module 10. On the left you can see I have the Word Module 10 project open, and on the right I have the Word Module 10 training tutorial open. I would like to focus on the training tutorial task, so I'm going to click the menu button to expand the list, and I do recommend that students do this as well. You can kind of read through the titles of each task to kind of understand what you're going to be learning in this particular project. Well, you're going to create an online form in this project. And so you're going to do so without the need to, for example, learn a programming language. I don't know if any of you out there have experience with programming languages, but they are often complex. And so anytime that there's an application or software that makes a certain process, such as creating an online form, easier, I'm all for that. So in this module, students will be able to use Microsoft Word, which is an application that they're familiar with, in order to create an online form. So in this case, you won't have to learn any computer programming language or anything like that. You'll just learn the features in Word and be able to create your online form as well, if you ever need to. All right, so I believe for this project, the online form that you have to do is a survey, I think. If I just scan through the thing. So there are different kinds of online forms that you can create, but in our project for this week, it'll be a survey. So with that, one of the items that you're going to learn that I kind of just want to point to or highlight is the content control. In this particular module, you'll notice that you have different ways to express a content control. So it could be a drop-down list, it could be a plain text box, it could be a lot of different things, and you'll see that as you go through. And so I do want to call your attention to that, so that you pay attention to that, because knowing the different formats will help you understand that particular feature. Also, just as a side note, content control is just that. Content can be text, whether letters, numbers, information. It could be a list. It could be a lot of different things, but it's your information. So it's the information that you want to display to the audience who will be reading or viewing your online form. And then it's also helpful for you, the developer, as you create your online form. So content control should make your life easier. And hopefully you'll see that as you go through this project. As always, at the end of the instruction file, so all the way at the bottom, there's the final figure, which shows you what your project file should look like. And so I always recommend that students review this before they submit their work to SAM. In addition to that, as you're going through the project, if you have questions or concerns or need additional help, you can always email me at my email address, shenry, SHENRY, @lawsonstate.edu. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.